Hi everyone, hope you're doing well today. This is I'm making this on a Sunday and it's quite gloomy. Yeah, a gloomy day, quite gloomy times. Not a good start, huh? Well, I've done myself a flask of coffee today because my coffee keeps going cold every time I come up here to work. Because I get sidetracked and then that's it. So I thought, what a great idea. And I was just sitting here making some things for my friends because I can't focus because of a lot of things. Because work mostly, believe it or not, even though that we're in lockdown and COVID, it's been around so long, nearly a year, isn't it? In UK, and in London we're on full lockdown basically, whatever levels they call it now. I don't know, get confused with the levels, like everybody. But yeah, I teach at college. I teach games art, animation, motion graphics, things like that, very, very computer based. So this is my reprieve basically. But I'm so busy at work at the moment because it's quite intense. We are doing classes online. We're trying to stick to the timetable as well, and most of the time it is going quite well, but there's so many things we're being asked to do on top of everything else that my head's spinning. So I wanted to do some art journaling today, but no, my brain is too overwhelmed with you know, in the back of your head it's saying to me, right, you need to do this and you need to do that and you need to do it all for work, and I can't concentrate. So the only thing I can concentrate is things to do with beads. It doesn't take as much as my brain power, but you know what I mean, my concentration, because I can just play and not be thinking about, you know, any art that I'm doing or that terrifying blank page that I'm gonna look at. So yeah, I can't focus at the moment. So, and I thought, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make some things for my friends. So I made myself these earrings, my first attempt at doing some. I thought they were quite cool. I bought these, they're sterling silver, so they should be good for delicate ears. So yeah, I made some for my mum. I've given hers. And I thought I'd make a pair of earrings for one friend, and I would like to do a bookmark as well, because one of my friends is an avid reader, and it's just a nice thing to do right now. But I did do this one for one of my friends who's really loves reading, but I thought these were too big, and I thought, I'm not making it again. I'll do another one. And this is one I made for me, actually. It was my Christmas present to me. I thought it looked very vintagey. These beads were from Etsy. Someone in America has for ages, but they are so pretty. Well, they're not beads, are they? They're, oh my gosh, I forget what they're called. See, my brain's frazzled. They go on the end of beads. No technical terms today, I'm afraid. Brain is out of technical terms. I ordered these from a website, and they come from China, and I thought they were beautiful. But as usual, when I order things online, oh my, I'm just no good at sizes. I just get a ruler out, you know, but I'm so lazy. But these are, yeah, way too big really. I may use them. I just wanted smaller ones, but they're so pretty. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to have a go for my friend. I was going to do, so I've got my bead tray out because I do love this bead tray, and I've got all these pinks and purples are favourite colours. And I was going to do similar to mine, but do you know what? I think she'd prefer this vibrant pink. So I think I'm going to do, should I do the light pink and then them either side? Maybe. Or the other way around. Now, this is what I hate making decisions. I think actually it looks prettier like that. That looks like a different pink, that one. Yeah. And I've got some little separators that go in between. See, I've got full of technical terms today, not. And that might look nice. Let me get them out and then I can play with them. Or I think she might like something a bit more sparkly. This one's got little sparkle, diamond sparkle. So let's have a little look, shall we? So I'd put them in between. I just thought, you know, I'm making these, why not share it with you guys? And you can either watch and have a little look at what I'm doing, or you can have a go yourself as well if you have any beads. I ordered these from, oh my goodness, come on brain, work. Or I'll tell you in a minute, because my brain, this is what work does to me. This is why I should really do. See, when you do the job I'm doing with college lecturer, well, probably teaching all round, because I've only ever done 16 plus teaching, like the A-level equivalent and degree level, but I would imagine it's the same any level. But wow, you can't just do the hours you do. It encroaches into the rest of your life, evenings, weekends, because basically, unless you get to think, prepare for the week, the coming week, and if you don't actually do what you need to do, this is what happens. It rattles your brain. And this is where I'm at today. I should have yesterday just done work that I needed to do and give myself some free headspace. But you know what? I never get a free headspace. So unless I have a few days off, which I'm going to do in half term, I'm going to take the whole time off and try and get my head straight a bit, or do some marking, and I feel better that I've done stuff. So anyway, I don't know if you can see that. Let's have a look. Okay, so I've gone in a little bit closer. Hopefully you can see how that looks. So it's either, I suppose that's more boho and that's more bling, isn't it? Oh, wow. Do you know what? I'm going to try it on here. So let's try. I know this is going to be fiddly. Yeah. I've even got my, oops, white glasses on and I'm still fiddly. Okay, there you go, not too bad. So if I see it on here, it's better, isn't it? That's what I think. And yeah, when I edit this, I might speed it up so you don't have to sit through me fiddling around, all fingers and thumbs. Yes. So hopefully you can see that. I can't get you any closer. This camera's being a bit finicky. I can't really tell right now what I prefer. What to do. Okay, so I've had a thought and I've decided with the bling, tiny bit of bling, and rather than you painfully having to watch me being all fingers and thumbs putting them on the earring, I've done it, and I've got these tiny little beads. You can hardly see them. And I've put them on the end. I think that just makes it look nicer. And I've decided, oh sorry, it's my phone, hold on. Alright, I'm back, sorry, phone rang. And that was my mum. She's not been too well since she had the vaccine, the Oxford COVID vaccine in the week, and she was quite ill after. Yeah, I was quite worried, but she's perked up again now. It must just be the, you know, her body trying to kick into touch whatever's been put into her. I don't know, but yeah, she had lots of symptoms, feeling nauseous and dizzy and achy. Yeah, it was a bit worrying, but she seems fine now. So, yeah, so I had to take the call, see how she is. So yeah, I was saying, rather than you painfully watching me bead it, I've added some tiny little ones, which I think adds a nice little detail. And I'm looking at all different things to hang. hang from it, because there's a little hole there where I could put something to hang down, and I quite liked these little open hearts, which is nice. So they were my favourite in the end. So I don't know if you need to probably come a little bit closer. Oh, hallelujah. Having trouble focusing. I'm hoping it will stay. No, it's not going to, is it? Oh, goodness. Hopefully I've got that in focus now. My camera's having a mare. Okay, so you probably know this, but you need to pull that open from side to side, not left to right, because otherwise you break it. And I just want to put it in there. Yes, hallelujah. Oh, cat's meowing at me now. Okay, so let's quickly get this heart on here. Got a feeling Dizzy might jump up. And yes. Great stuff. Dizzy's just decided to jump up right where I'm working. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Great. Okay. I've lost me Dizzy. Come on. Come on. Thank you. And then I just need to I can't see. I need to just close these up with a little heart. Oh my. Okay, cool. If that's fallen off, I will scream, yes. Ah. Oh. I'm going to scream. Let's try again. Yeah, he's purring. Yeah, I'm glad he's happy. Glad you're purring. Right, let's try again. Let's get this little heart charm on there and quickly close it up before we have any other situations with the phone or the cat or something. Next it'll be knock on the door. So let's hope you can see that. Just going to close that up. So push it back to front. Done. Oh, bye Diz. Now he's gone. There you go, that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. That works really well. Where's my little bulb? Oh yeah. Move that round. Put that back in. And then all I need to do is put the hook on and then just duplicate this. Go. Hopefully you can see that. Thanks, you'll like that. Nice little heart dangling, and then yeah, I just need to hook these on now. So I do the same again. I grab one side with my bigger flat nose pliers, because the little jewellery ones are so much easier to put in and push. So there you go, push back with one and forward with the other, so you open them up. Okay, that's the third thing. So the phone rang. Yeah, Dizzy, my cat, jumped up on the table, and then the battery ran out. Hopefully that's the last thing, hey? So yeah, I've just pushed that back to open it and pulled that forward like that. It looks a bit strange, but that's the best way to do it, so you don't break the core of the metal. And then so I've got these. They seem rather large for this. Maybe I need to get smaller ones, but I've just been ordering things from Etsy and Amazon really, and I even had a look at some other places as well from China. Reasonably priced, I have to say. So, like before, I'm just pushing that back now to close it up. Push the two together. That's it. Make sure it's nice and tight and closed so nothing falls off, and there you go. Earring made. Maybe we need to come out a little bit now. I zoomed in way too close. There you go. So let's move my ones I made for myself. Move them out of the way. I've got longish hair and it's quite curly, so I need quite big earrings. But I think my friend prefers smaller ones, more dainty. I did my own, these ones, just to test it out really. And let me turn that around. Oh, you're back, Dizzy, are you? There you go. Let's push that back in. And that's the earrings done. Yeah. Great stuff. Quite pretty. So I just got to duplicate that really on the other earring. That's done. Very quick to do. I mean, if without minus interruptions, it's really quick to do. I'll have to try that on. See if that's the right way around. Actually, that looking that in the ear. Yeah, that's fine. So really easy. You just need some charm beads and these little earring. They're called findings. You can buy them just online, as that's where we're having to buy everything at the moment. So yeah, so now I'm going to move on to make some beaded bookmarks. Because as I say, my brain is mush. Too many work things on my mind. Right, Dizzy's back, so I think I'll give him some food or a treat. He's even knocked the camera. Look at that little beast. Okay, bye guys. I'll be back. Take care. Much love. So I just wanted to show you the finished earrings and how I'm now going to pack them up and send them off to my friend. And I thought, wouldn't it be a nice idea if we did this once a week for a while? And you know, the hashtag kindness thing, there's a lot of that being spoken about at the moment. So I think if you want to join in, please do make something for a friend and post it to them. It's just such a lovely feeling to do it. If not, just join in and make some lovely things. All right, take care everyone. Bye again. Bye.